Hello guys, welcome to SMH Solutions. Today we are going to discuss regarding Azure File Synchronization. Means that how we can synchronize our on-premise file server data to Azure File Service. For this purpose, we are going through the below steps. First, we will log in into the Microsoft Azure portal. Then we will create a storage account and the file share service. Then create a synchronization group, that means that Azure file synchronization. The next steps we will go. First, we will go to our Azure portal. Here I will create a resource. Azure storage account right now I will create. Click on the storage accounts, create. Azure subscription 1, Azure Active Directory Domain Services. I have already resource group I selected AADS. Storage account I will select as SMH storage 1, and the region is already there. Region I will select it as West Europe. Then directly I will go to review. From my previous steps, I have given a detailed discussion regarding the how to create a storage account. Here we just creating the storage account, create. Now it will show initializing deployment, submitting deployment. Okay, what we are going to do is that in Azure, I already created one more virtual machine. That virtual machine we can consider as our on-premise server. In this server, we will create one folder, new folder, named share something. Okay, whatever the data we are adding in the share one, it should reflect. That means it should automatically replicate to the our Azure file share service. That is our main thing. So if that server will be shut down or something will happen to the server, we will have our data in the Azure file share service. Anyway, right now I have created the storage account. Now I will create one file share service. I will make it as FS1. Then I will create this one. Okay, file share service I have created now. This is a file share service. There is no data, nothing is here in this file share service. Now, for this purpose, first we need to register this server with the Azure file share service. For that purpose, first we need to create, here I have written the step. We need to create a Azure File Sync resource we need to create. So we will search Azure File Sync here. Here it came. Then I will give resource group, same resource group I will select. File synchronization name you can give. File sync 1 I will make it as. Region I will make it as West Europe. Create. Then once this Azure File Sync will create, from this Azure File Sync service, we can download that synchronization agent. And that synchronization agent we will install in our server. And we can wait to deploy this Azure File Synchronization. Deployment is in progress. So first we logged into the Microsoft Azure portal. Then we created a storage account, and inside storage account we created a file share service. Now we are downloading Azure. We are creating Azure file synchronization. The next step is that we will install this file synchronization agent. And from this Azure file sync, you will get the file sync agent download option. Then this one we will download and we will install in that Windows machine. We will install. Then option from this file sync agent, you will get option to register. Registration option you will get. I will show you that step now. First we can wait. Yeah, file sync one it is created already. Here you can go registered servers. There is no server registered. First we need to register the server. So the thing is that we need to download Azure File Sync agent from the server. Okay, anyway, the same Azure portal I will open inside the my virtual machine. Okay, here I logged into the virtual machine. Then I will refresh this one right now from my same portal only. Here I will go to my resources. Then I can see my file sync one service. I can see from here I will download. So I'm downloading this Azure File Sync agent. Okay, welcome to the storage synchronization agent. Next, now it is installing our storage synchronization agent. We can wait. Still it is installing now. Anyway, after installation, it will ask to add our tenant properties. Anyway, I will show you that steps. Now we can wait whether it is, yeah, it is installed now. Completed the storage synchronization agent. It's finished. It's updating now. Now we need to sign in into this Azure file synchronization option. I will click on I am signing as cloud solution provider. It will ask for the tenant ID. That was I was searching. I will show you. Yeah, this is my account's tenant ID. From your home properties, you will get that option. Then sign in. Then it will ask for our registered email ID. Then next we need to give the password. Then it will verify your identity. I will open my mobile phone. It is asking for the last four digits of my phone number. Then it will give send the code option. I'm waiting to receive the code. I received the code now. Verify. Now it will ask for the Azure subscription. You can select it already. Azure subscription 1. Resource group also you can select. Then storage synchronization service that we already created one, files one. Now register. So we have registered our server with Azure File Sync server registration portal. After this registration, we will go back to our Azure portal. From the portal, you can see this file server is registered. Okay. Now I will close this one. Then we will come here. Again, we will go back to our home. And from where you go the tenant ID, you can search for tenant properties option. From there, you will get this tenant ID. Anyway, right now we are going to all resources. Then we will go to our file sync option. Here you can see registered servers. You can see this is our registered server, our virtual machine, or this one you can consider as our on-premise server. Now, next thing is that we need to create a synchronization groups. Then only whatever the things we are doing, we will effect it in our Azure portal. Okay, so I am clicking on synchronization group. I will give one name for this one, sync one. Select storage account. I will select our storage account. Then it will ask for select the file share service FS1, create. Now it is creating our synchronization group also. It is creating. It is created synchronization group now. It is showing cloud endpoint creation is in progress. Yeah. So cloud endpoint from this synchronization group, right now we added the cloud endpoint FS1's file share service. I added. Now I need to add our server endpoint. Okay, here you have to select the registered server and which part you want to, whatever the which in this path means that which data you want to replicate to the our Azure portal. That path you need to show here, so that I will go to my on-premise server, that means virtual machine. Here this is the share one, right? So oh sorry, I given the here I want, sorry, I will create one new folder, share folder. Okay, so in this folder I will go to the properties, then this is the part, see, then I will paste here backward slash share. Okay, now click on, oh, what I written here, yeah. So server endpoint creation is in progress, and the path I already add as C drive uses Habil, that means desktop share. Whatever we are updating the data in this share folder of that virtual machine or our on-premise file server, it will come to our Azure portal file share service. It will come. Okay, anyway, we can wait. Yes, server endpoint also we have created. Now we can check. Okay, first we will go to our all resources. First, we will go to our storage account. From this storage account, we will go to file shares. Just check. Okay, this is our FS1. Whatever the data from that virtual machine, it should have to come to this file share service. Okay, that is our main property. Here, nothing is here, right? Okay. Now you can go to our on-premise file server. That means that this virtual machine right now here. Okay, I'm going to add one Word document in this one, new text document I will add. Okay, and I close this one. This one, it should have to replicate to the our file share service. Okay, this is I already opened this file share service. I will just refresh this one. Yeah, you can see here Here, this is the one. And now I will add one folder now here, new folder. I will give one name in this folder, and in this also I will create one new bitmap image, just written only bitmap image. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to our Azure File Share Service. Here we will just click on the refresh. What is happening? Yeah, you can see same folder. So whatever we are doing on this server, so that will reflect in our Azure portal file share service. Okay. Here, what is the thing is that in the synchronization group, we are adding file share service, right? I will show 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Here, what we are doing from the storage synchronization service, we are creating a synchronization groups. From this synchronization group, what we are doing, we will add server endpoint as well as the cloud endpoint. In the cloud endpoint, we will add our Azure File Share Service. In the server endpoint, we will add the server which folder you want to synchronize. That is the main thing. Okay. Thank you, guys. We can see you on the next video. Thank you so much.